guys?
We're gonna be playing again.
What's up, guys?
We're here at restaurant and we're gonna be playing again. That one play?
This Minnie Mouse is really gettable now. This is Method 2 and easy, but it's ungettable. Oh, we can get the Minnie Mouse? Yeah. It does have a tag, as you can see. This one is a spinny claw machine. It's kind of weird too. Yeah. You want that? Yes. Please, God, please. Perfect grab. Look at that. Sweet, guys.
Awesome.
Get
Ako
it,
na.
Damon. Sweet, guys.
Nice.
Got it. Mouse.
Sweet guys. Thanks
Yes,
for
sir.
watching. Please subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe now for this Minnie Mouse.
Bye.
Bye.